Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn how we can change the database port in Microsoft SQL Server. In my previous video, you have seen how we can check the DB port in SQL Server. And I also mentioned that the default port for SQL Server is 1433. Okay, so let me go to the SSMS. This is the instance name, named instance. Okay, my computer name slash the instance name on-prem dev. If I check here, in my previous video, I also shown you that you can check the port through the script as well. So the current port is 1433. Okay. Even if you check in the SQL Server Configuration Manager, let me open that. Okay. For this instance, I need to check. So I need to go to the respective on-prem dev. Double click that. See, 1433 is the port number. So now let's change that. Change it to the 1435 and click OK. So one thing you need to keep in mind that while changing the port number, you need to restart the services. Okay, then only it will reflect. So what I will do, I will just go to the services tab, go to the SQL Server instance service on-prem dev, right click and restart. Okay, service is now successfully started and it's in running state. Here also 1435 is the port number, 1435. Okay, so if you try to connect through the previous port 1433, you will get error. So let's connect through the new port number. It will be successfully connected. Okay, so this is how you can change the port number in SQL Server. Okay, same can be changed in through the SQL Server Configuration Manager. Let me show you once again. Okay, it's pretty much simple. You need to identify the instance name. Okay, go to the SQL Server Network Configuration to the respective instance. Okay, go to TCP/IP protocol and double click here. Go to the IP addresses tab. Scroll down all the way, and you can see this is the static port 1433 that we have already changed. And if you want to revert that, then we can further change it to 1433 and OK. So while changing or while reverting back, every time it will ask for the restart when you will change the port number. Okay, okay. The parameter we have updated. Now what we need to do, we need to just restart the services again, and the port will be default again. Once the service is restarted, it will take effect. Okay, now this is started. And if I see, if I check here through the command, okay, now it should return 1433 instead of 1435. See, that has been changed. And if I try to reconnect that, it will throw an error because right now 1433 is the port. Okay, but here in the connection parameter it is mentioned 1435. Okay, let this throw an error. Okay, this is the same error. Failed to connect to the Naresh on-prem drive with 1435. Okay, so disconnect that, reconnect, and if I mention the correct port name 1433, it will connect successfully. This is now connected. Okay, you can see the databases and all the information in this instance. So this is how we can change the database port in Microsoft SQL Server. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.